हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो ये वीडियो रे आमे ओडिशा जीके टेस्ट डिस्कशन करवा टोटल 40 एमसीक्यू जोटा कि आपनकर अपकमिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम पे हेल्पफुल हम। तो वीडियोटी को प्रथम रु शेष पर्यंत देखंतु। जदि आपण माने मो चैनल रे नुआ तो निश्चित भाव में आपण चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु। एमती नुआ नुआ वीडियो पे ता सहित आपण नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करेंगे जमीक जहाँ भी किसी नुआ वीडियो जी आपको प्रथम नोटिफाई हम। ता सहित जदि वीडियो भल लगे तो लाइक कमेंट आउ शेयर करने को भूलिए ना। ठीक अच्छे, तो आम डिस्कसन आरंभ करवा। देखो फास्ट क्वेश्चन देछि, व्हिच एमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ क्रोमाइड इन इंडिया। आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, ओडिशा। सो ओडिशा इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ क्रोमाइड इन इंडिया। 2 नंबर देखंतु, द कोणार्क सन टेम्पल वाज इंक्लूडेड इन द वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट स्टेटस इन द ईयर 1984। So Konark Sun Temple was included in the World Heritage Site status in the year 1984. तापर 3 नंबर देखंतु, on which river is the Patora Dam built? Answer is Junk River, option A. 4 नंबर देखंतु, Kapilas Wildlife Sanctuary in Dhenkanal, option C is the right answer. 5 नंबर देखंतु, who among the following is called as Gandhi of Odisha? Answer is option C, Pandit Gopabandhu Das. So Pandit Gopabandhu Das is called as Gandhi of Odisha. 6 नंबर देखंतु, who is the first Odia to have received Kendra Sangeet नाटक एकेडमी अवार्ड? आंसर इज सामुएल साहू। सामुएल साहू इज द राइट आंसर। 7 देखंतु, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक दैट इज पूर्णचंद्र ओडिया भाषाकोश? आंसर इज गोपाल चंद्र प्रहराज। सो गोपाल चंद्र प्रहराज इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक पूर्णचंद्र ओडिया भाषाकोश। तापर 8 नंबर देखंतु, हु रोट द ग्रेट ओडिया पोएम तपस्विनी? आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, गंगाधर मेहर। तब 9 नंबर देखंतु, which of the following is known as the grand old man of Odisha? Answer is option C, Madhusudan Das is known as the grand old man of Odisha. तब 10 नंबर देखंतु, कुलब्रुद्ध is a famous Odia novel written by Surendra Mahanti. So Surendra Mahanti written by the book that is Kulbudra. Then 11, when was the Panchayat Raj system introduced in India? Answer is option D, 1961. 12 देखंतु, which river is known as the lifeline of Ganjam district? Answer is option C, Rusikulya. So Rusikulya river is known as the lifeline of Ganjam district. 13 देखंतु, first women's college in Odisha is Sailabala Women's College. Option B, first women's college in Odisha is Sailabala Women's College. तापर 14 नंबर देखंतु, where East India Company first set up their factory in Odisha? Answer is Hariharpur. So in Hariharpur the East India Company first set up their company or factory. So 15 देखंतु, who was the first Muslim ruler of Odisha? Answer is option C, Sulaiman Khan Karani. Sulaiman Khan Karani is the right answer, was the first Muslim ruler of Odisha. 16 देखंतु, who is fondly remembered as Garibaldi of Odisha? Answer is Veera Surendra Sai. So Veera Surendra Sai remembered as Garibaldi of Odisha. In which year Kalapahada invaded Odisha? So answer is 1568, in the year 1568. 18 number देखंतु, Gandharva math was the seat of which of the following Panchasakha? Answer is option A, Balaram Das. So Gandharva math was the seat of Balaram Das among the Panchasakha. 19 देखंतु, which of the following is the biosphere reserve in Odisha? Answer is option B, Similipal. So Similipal is a biosphere reserve in Odisha. Then 20 देखंतु, the Nalabana wildlife sanctuary was started in the year of 1987. Option C. तापर 21 देखंतु, Bhitarkanika National Park has been designated a Ramsar site, wetland of international importance, that is second in the state in the year 2002. Then 22 देखंतु, Padrama Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the district of Sambalpur. Option B. 23 देखंतु, the Tropic of Cancer lies to the dash of Odisha? Answer is option D, north. Then 24 देखंतु, Podu Gudia, one kind of the shifting cultivation in South Odisha, is known as the Dangar Chas. Then 25 देखो which district leads in the production of jute? Answer is option B, Kendrapada. So Kendrapada district leads in the production of jute. 26 देखो which of the following district of Odisha is famous for coffee plantation? Answer is option C, that is Koraput. And 27 देखो which district leads to mustard production in Odisha? Answer is option D, Baleswar. So Baleswar district leads in the mustard production in Odisha. Then 28 देखो fast superfast train in Odisha, train of Odisha is Konark Express, that is Bhubaneswar to Mumbai. Bhubaneswar to Mumbai, option A. Then 29 देखो who among the following is the first recipient of the Attibadi Jagannath Das award? Answer is Radha Mohan Gadnaik. So Radha Mohan Gadnaik is the first recipient of the Attibadi Jagannath Das award. 30 देखो when did the Praja Mandal movement began in Odisha? Answer is 1938, option C. So in the year 1938 the Praja Mandal movement began in Odisha. तापर which temple is white pagoda? Answer is Jagannath temple. So Jagannath temple is the white pagoda. Then देखो judges of the district courts are appointed by the governor of the respective state. Answer is option B. So judges of the district courts are appointed by the governors of the respective state. 33 देखो who is the first chief justice of Odisha High Court? Answer is Birakishore Roy. So Birakishore Roy is the first chief justice of Odisha High Court. Then 34 देखो Lulung is betterly known as the Similipal Tiger Project. And 35 देखो Odisha has launched which mobile app for streaming supply chain management of take home ration? Answer is option A, Mo Chatua. Then 36 देखो who was the last governor of Odisha before independence? Answer is Chandwal Madhval Trivedi. 37 देखो the Inchudi Satyagraha began on April 6, 1930. Answer. So Inchudi Satyagraha began on April 6, 1930. 38 देखो when was the first assembly election after the independence held in Odisha? Answer is 20 February 1952. तापर देखो which 39 number question, which state has become the first state to start a department for the self-help group? Answer is option C, Odisha. Then 40 देखो which of the following villages has become the first one to be 100% solar power village in Odisha? Answer is Baripitha is the right answer. तो यहाँ थिला आपनकर 40 MCQ जोटा कि आपनकर निश्चित भाव में अपकमिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम पे हेल्पफुल हम. तो वीडियोटी को प्रथम शेष पर्यंत देखो. जदि आपण मैंने चैनल नुआ ताले सब्सक्राइब करने को भूलु ना. जदि वीडियो भल लगुच लाइक करूँ, कमेंट माध्यम मतामत आ सांग मानक शेयर करने को भूलु नहीं. थैंक यू.